Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error writing temporary file, make sure your temp folder is valid in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click application, run as administrator. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Installer Service. Start the service. Third method is right-click Start button, click Run, type %temp%, click OK. Delete all files and folders. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click System, click About, click Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables. Type /temp. Create new temp folder under C drive. Fifth method is open Windows Security. Turn off all protection under virus and threat protection settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.